Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Cisco Packet Tracer latest version, that is 9.0, which is the latest one at the time of making this video on Windows operating system. Okay, either it may be Windows 10 or 11. First go to netacad.com. First we have to log in. Click on login. If you don't have account, click on sign up, or you can log in with Gmail, that is Google account. I have already created account. See, I have already logged in. Now click on this browse, then scroll down, click on this Cisco Packet Tracer, then click on this get started with Cisco Packet Tracer, then click on resume course. You may see enroll course, so click on this. Now see here we have the download Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it, then click on this link to download. Scroll down, see here we have the Packet Tracer 9.0, Windows 64-bit, and system requirements Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 287 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this exe file. Select this license agreement. By selecting this radio button, I accept the agreement and click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location, then click on next. This is the name in start menu folder. Click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select the checkbox, and if you want to create a quick launch shortcut, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, you have successfully installed. Okay, click on finish. See the checkbox, launch Cisco Packet Tracer. Keep it and click on finish. Would you like to run multi start? Yes. Allow access. Login. See, you have successfully logged in. Go to here. See, you got the Cisco Packet Tracer. Check the version. Help about. See, we have installed 9.0. Okay. See, here we have different tabs, physical and logical. Okay. You can drag these icons on that window and you can practice networking. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.